Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
There are many cleanup methods used in oil spills, but the ones mentioned in the reading are decades old. That is why I am going to bring up some of the newer methods and technologies that are used today, which can solve the problems we had years ago. I doubt that we will be using corn cobs and straws in the future. Scientists have created a new polymer absorbent, which can absorb large quantities of crude oil, almost up to 5 gallons at a time. This superabsorbent polymer will transform the oil spill into a solid gel. The oil-containing gel will be converted to a liquid, and then, a refinery will recover the crude oil. This new technology is low cost, and is a cost-effective method to recover one of our most valuable natural resources, crude oil. I understand, we can't avoid the smoke arising from in situ burning, but this traditional method is still used today, as it is highly effective in removing large quantities of oil, very quickly. In situ burning clears away almost 50 to 90% of the oil on the surface in mere minutes, while using other methods will break the oil into million pieces, which will then spread all over the ocean. The advantages of in situ burning far outweigh the disadvantages. Therefore, when conducted properly, in situ burning minimizes the harmful impacts of the oil on the environment. That's why this method was highly effective in reducing large amounts of oil on the water's surface in major oil spills, like the 2010 Deepwater Horizon. And finally, scientists have figured out a solution for biodegradation. They have developed genetically modified microbes with bioaugmentation, which speeds up the rate and capability of degradation in living cells. Bioaugmentation in microbes will mean that these organisms will have enhanced abilities to degrade the oil. These engineered microbes will be more efficient at degrading oil, and will adapt well to particular habitats and environmental conditions.